Greetings and salutations all. In this video we're going to go ahead and download and install Git for Windows. To begin, open your favorite web browser and go to git-scm.com/download/win. Then click here to download to begin the process of downloading the Git for Windows installer. When the installer is done, navigate to the lower left-hand corner. Click on the installer to launch it. When the installer launches, we will need to allow it to make changes to your device, so press yes. Then what we will do is we will accept the GPL license by pressing next. We'll use the default install location for Git. We'll effectively keep all of these options the same and press next. We'll create a folder inside of our start menu by pressing next. We'll leave the default editor as Vim, which is a terminal text editor, by pressing next. Then what we'll do is we'll override the default branch name for new repositories to main, as this is likely going to be the new default option going forward. Press next when done. Then what we want to do is we want to use the Git from the command line and also from third-party software, because this will add here the Git wrappers into our path, which means software that we install on our Windows machine can very easily find the Git version control system. Once this is done, press next. Then what we're going to do is we're going to use the bundled OpenSSH, and by pressing next, we'll use the OpenSSL library. And what we'll move to is basically, instead of changing anything, we're going to allow a checkout in the Windows style, but we'll switch back to the Unix style line endings. This basically ensures that white space isn't picked up in Git diffs. More on that at a later time. Go ahead and press next. Then what we're going to use is the msys2 terminal. So just press next. And we're going to use the default option for Git pull. Moreover, we'll use the Git credential manager, and we'll enable file system caching by pressing next. And we will just then press install without selecting any of these experimental options. Once done, we're going to uncheck the View Release Notes and press Finish to exit the installer. Once we exit the installer, let's go down to the lower left-hand side and type cmd to open our command prompt, then type git to verify the git command is now present inside of our terminal. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye now.